guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Boxy Luxe for this month. I have been so excited to film this video. I had a really bad cold for like almost 2 weeks. So I had like this terrible sounding voice that was like super raspy. So I did not want to film while I sounded like that. So now we're back to normal. I sound normal. I feel good. I mean, I felt pretty good about a week after I got sick, but I did not sound good a week after. So now I sound normal again. So that is good. But yeah, that's why I haven't filmed in like 100 years. But let's get into this video. I am so excited to see what's in this. I kind of remember what you can get in here, but I don't fully remember. So we shall see. It is like St. Patrick's Day themed. I can't remember if I got this before. I think I did get it before St. Patrick's Day, but I was sick, so it didn't really matter. Okay, ooh, right on the top, there's this like bomb looking palette named Barbella. It's got eyelashes on it, and this goes for, who makes you? B Beauty? Oh, it's topping. So this is $50. I can get it out. We'll look at it. Okay, so same packaging. Ooh. So it's a very neutral palette. Those are all the colors in it. They look nice and pretty. So I will definitely have to try this palette out. Yeah, there's literally like 2 colors in here. Wow, super neutral. So that's 50 bucks. So if you love neutrals, that palette is for you. The next thing I see is a Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in Crush. And this goes for $18. Tell me what you can buy it for. Ooh. So it's like this. Whoa, it's way dark compared to the packaging. Let's see. Oh, that's so beautiful. I will definitely use this to death. I love nude lip liners because I mostly wear nude lips, like rubbing it into my skin. Alright, so $18 for this cute little dude. Alright, I guess we take this off now, the squishy part. Okay, what is this? It's a hot tool. Oh, it's a brush. It's a mini heat brush in the color Apricot. So here is this brush. It's so heavy. So you would plug it in and I guess like brush your hair straight. I'm still gonna have to try this on my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. I'm too lazy to do it, and I'm trying to grow it out even longer than it is. So I haven't been messing with it with heat, but I might just have to try this for a video to see if it works. Because my hair, I don't know if you can tell that well right now, but it is naturally like wavy. I don't know if you can see that. But I have like a little bit of a wave, so I want to see if this can just like easily brush it out or not. Fancy. Okay, this is $150. Jeez Louise. See, this is why I get this box. I would not buy this. Let's be real here. I got a blow dryer actually like a while ago from a Boxy Luxe, and honestly that little tiny thing is bomb. It is like my favorite blow dryer, and it is like the size of this brush. So these tools actually work really well that I've tried so far. But I'll definitely have to try this brush thing out. Oh, I did get what I wanted. I know it's silly, but it's like these, what you want to call them? It's the little beauty blender eggs. Yeah, blending eggs from Beauty Bakery. This goes for $18. That's a really good deal. I think you get 6 in here. Okay, did you see how cute this packaging is? Isn't that adorable? Open, open, open. Oh my gosh, you do. You get 6 eggs. So that's a really good deal. I think you get 6 beauty blenders for $18. I think that's a good deal. How freaking cute. And it's about time I replace my beauty blender. It is not doing great. So I'm super stoked about this. Oh my goodness. Yay. Alright, the next thing I see is Skin Ink. My daily dose of glow, illuminating and brightening. Let's get that out of the packaging. Ooh, it's got little beads in it. Okay, let me wrap it. This is $65. Can you guys see those little beads? They're crazy. Look at those little dudes. That looks like so much fun. I'm gonna have to like... Has anti-aging, clear, bright and firm skin, hydrating with hyaluronic acid, pure ingredients, seaweed and capsules. Nice. So this is super fancy. I'll have to try this out for sure. Who doesn't like good skincare? The next thing I see is a mini teardrop brush. Okay. Well, this is fancy. Can you see this thing? That is a one heck of a fancy brush. Ooh, and it's nice and dense and it feels good and soft. Like its box, you can't see because it's so late, but its box is like super glamorous too. It's in rose gold, which I love. So you're gonna use this for foundation, concealer, bronzer, finishing powder, body paint, self tanner, and special effect finishes. Cool, this is fancy. And this goes for $45. It's a huge brush. This thing is gigantic. The next thing I see is sparkly stuff. This is a 24 karat lip plumping mask from Kiss the Stars. Focus. Look at this. Holy mother of pearl. Okay, I will have to try this. It is $42. That's crazy. All this stuff is so expensive in this box this time. I'm not mad about it. I'm excited actually, but I didn't know this was in here. I'm kind of excited to try this. Let's see what... The mint is like unbelievably strong. Wow. Okay, that's amazing. So you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes on makeup-free lips. We'll definitely have to try this thing out. I might do a video on this, see what it does. The smell is like overpowering, so if you have a super sensitive nose like I do, this is really strong. I wonder if your lips like smell like that forever. I don't know about this. Okay, so this is the last thing, and it's from Glow Recipe. Plum, Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow. And this is $42, so basically everything is like 40 bucks and up except the lip liner and the beauty blenders. If I could talk, that would help. I can't get this tape off. Where's my knife? Duh, that's why you have a knife. Cut things open so they go. Okay. Oh yay, it is this cute thing. This I do remember being one of the things I saw on there, and I was like, I just want it for the packaging. Okay. There we go. Look at how cute that is. See if I can smell it. Hello. Oh, okay. It doesn't smell like, oh. It doesn't smell like much, but that's the little top. That's funny, I just like ripped the whole thing off. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what this box's value is, because I think it's gonna be pretty good.
Okay, so 50 plus 42 plus 65 plus 45 plus 150 plus 18 plus 18 plus 42.
So the retail value of this box is $4.30. That's super good because it is a $50 box. Palette alone is the price of the box. So let's see. We got this beautiful brush, this gold mask for your lips, lip liner, this skin product, this skin product. See how much stuff I can balance. This brush. I don't think I can put it forward. Beauty blenders. And this palette. I can't hold everything up to show you all at once. But this was a really good box. I think the products are really good in it. They're all priced pretty high. So I will definitely have to try this thing out on camera. This brush, this lip mask, this palette. Maybe this brush too. Let's see what this brush can do. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to try in this one. I have to actually film these videos. But yeah, so that's everything I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I feel like this one was like really fancy. Like, not that the other ones aren't, but I feel like some are just fancier than others. This one was just like one of those like super fancy ones. I swear, getting everything back in without packaging is harder than taking it out. Yeah, so that is everything I got in my BoxyCharm. I am super excited about it. It's all super cute, and yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you guys get BoxyCharm Luxe, BoxyCharm, if you got any of these in your normal base box, because I don't remember what was going in all of them. I feel like there was so much that could have been in these boxes this time that it's just a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. I get so excited when you guys subscribe. It means so much to me. So thank you guys when you do. You are amazing. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your night. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.